Smart Machine Kits now allows you to directly load machine components with kinematics. Previously, Smart Machine Kits only supported adding the device's JSON file. You also needed to assemble machine components separately in an assembly environment. We'll begin by selecting the machine type template. Next, we'll specify the device type. A new option, Part Files, is available. The device part includes kinematic information. Once the device part is selected, the device mounting dialog displays, allowing you to choose where to mount the device. Use Device Mount Junction matches the device's top junction to select the position of the machine. More than one device part may be added. Here we first mount a chuck and then a turret to the mill turn machine. When selecting geometry, you will find the kinematics tree of the device has been attached under the machine base. You can drag and drop the tree to any node you wish to attach. Geometry selection of the device is also imported, together with the device part. There is no need to reselect geometry if you don't wish to change it.